Hi guys, Asana is an incredibly capable option for tracking and organizing team projects. Asana may be a great solution in many cases, but that doesn't make it a perfect solution for every workplace. There are some excellent alternatives on the market. To help you find one, we've listed some of them. Watch on to learn more about these providers. Find out which one will work best for your needs. So let's get started. The first one on the list is Monday. What if I told you there's a project management platform that has everything Asana has, from its intuitive user interface to high-performing functionalities plus a simple setup, more ease of use, and about the exact same pricing? Monday.com is a beautiful project portfolio and project management and productivity tool with 40-plus integrations, and is the biggest Asana competitor as a productivity tool. They're currently working with Coca-Cola, Hulu, Canva, and HubSpot to make their project management and collaboration processes easier and smoother. Unlike most easy-to-use tools, Monday.com doesn't ignore an appealing and clean interface. Unlike most visually pleasing tools, Monday.com doesn't overlook functionality. That's one of the reasons why Monday.com became an award-winning platform that offers a wide range of services that boost team productivity as a powerful project management tool for project managers. What's more is that Monday.com doesn't come at an insane price for a task management tool, with a broad range of features. Monday's free version accommodates 2 users, while its basic and standard plans are priced at $8 and $10 per user per month, respectively, billed annually. There's also a free trial that allows you to try Monday risk-free. Quick note, my work is supported by affiliate commissions, so if this video is helpful, you can find links to the websites I mentioned in the video description. And if you click those links, I may earn a commission. That helps a lot. Thank you. Okay, next, let's talk about ClickUp. ClickUp is a feature-rich project management tool designed to be flexible for any team across an organization, including managers, designers, and developers. Like Asana, ClickUp is organized around tasks and to-do lists that you can view in multiple ways without losing hierarchy or clarity. ClickUp provides a few unique customization features. The ClickUp toolbar, for instance, allows for bulk changes on tasks to better accommodate rapidly shifting environments. Custom statuses and a strong tagging system that are also customizable give project managers the tools they need to communicate their exact needs on a wide scale with very few actions on their end. Furthermore, ClickUp's Smart Search and free data import feature make it easy to transition to this tool from others, and detail-oriented project managers can quickly double-check the import once it's complete. However, there are some cons to using ClickUp: steep learning curve due to the number of available features and level of customizability, glitchy app on Android, and lacks project message board. And for the pricing, ClickUp's free plan allows unlimited users and tasks, but limits the storage to 100 megabytes. To access more advanced features and storage space, consider one of its premium plans. They're available from $5 per user per month, billed yearly. ClickUp is best for team collaboration through built-in tools. Next one is Notion. Notion makes the list for people who are looking for an app like Asana for personal use. It's not its only use case, but I have to mention that it is a great project management solution, as it allows you to build a world on your own by giving you the freedom to create custom templates, assign custom roles, and make use of custom fields. What makes it more interesting is the fact that it has a user-friendly interface that you can get used to in minutes. With the power of unlimited tasks that you can plan according to the Agile methodology, you don't need to worry about file storage as long as you're on a paid plan. Notion includes no page block or file limitations, which paves the way for larger teams to have special pages dedicated to their plans, goals, and strategies. Moreover, Notion offers its service both as a desktop app and an online platform. Some of Notion's customers include Figma, Mixpanel, and Pixar. It offers a limited free version as well as team plans starting at $8 per user per month. Next, we have Wrike. Wrike uses a combination of task-based to-do lists within projects and interactive Gantt charts to help teams stay organized. The Gantt charts in particular give it the extra edge if you have a lot on your plate, since they show a clear project path from a bird's eye view. Plus, the charts are simple to set up, so you can get right to your project without much fuss. While the task tracking and Gantt chart creation is a massive draw to Wrike, it's only a small slice of what Wrike offers. Wrike also has request forms and templates to drastically reduce labor on either end of the planning process, and it provides interactive features like a live activity stream for at-a-glance updates with click and slide task adjustments, so you can quickly make adjustments to plans mid-development. Wrike is free for small teams, though most agencies will want to explore the $24.80 per user per month business plan. This option comes with a customized platform and a 5 gig of storage per user, as well as features like cross-tagging and automations to save time on recurring tasks and subtasks. Next, we have Trello. Trello may not have a portfolio management system like some apps, but it does feature simple board creation, and its focus on Kanban task management make it simple to peek at the board and get rich information with a swift once-over. Trello makes project hierarchy a very clear and precise matter, because everything is organized into boards, lists, and cards. Splitting up projects is quick and easy, and expectations are more immediately clear. Trello cards also feature a comment system that confines conversation to the relevant task, minimizing the risk of miscommunication and reducing information overload. Trello offers several plans, ranging from free to enterprise options. The free plan is generally best for smaller teams, so established agencies will probably want to start with a $10 per user per month premium plan. This plan has features to track progress, visualize even the most complex projects, and prioritize user support when you have a question or concern. Many of Trello's plans are available with a free trial period, so you can test drive this platform risk-free before you commit to anything. So as you can see, Asana isn't the only great app out there. There are plenty of others, even beyond what we've listed here today. Some have features similar to Asana's, others have completely different sets of features and functions. Like I said earlier, my work is supported by affiliate commission, so if this video was helpful, you can check the links in the description, and again, that helps a lot. Thank you. The point of this video isn't to force you to use something other than Asana, it's to consider the other options out there. For some companies, sticking with what's familiar might be worth it, but for others, switching to a new alternative with tools that better suit their needs and goals can help them build their business presence faster. Whichever tool you choose, we'd recommend trying the free version first, risk-free, and if you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So that's it for this video. Hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, leave a comment, please, and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.